This is my typical Chinese bicycle. Bicycles have long been an iconic part of Beijing's identity, earning the city's nickname, Kingdom of Bicycles. I usually ride my bike to the subway because I don't like waiting for the bus and can get a little exercise. The Beijing subway's S1 line is a medium low-speed magnetic levitation line, offering a smooth, quiet ride and lower maintenance due to reduced friction. Many of the commuters take their scooters to the metro. S1 connects suburban areas in western Beijing to the broader subway network. Line 6 goes through the heart of Beijing, from the far east to the far west. I live in the far west, so begin most of my journeys to the city from the S1 line, which goes to Line 6. I've got a hack for getting to Line 6 from the S1. First, I get on the second car, then ride to the next stop, which takes you past Chaoyang Park. I make a quick dash for the elevator. Then a beeline to the escalator that takes you down to Line 6. Line 6 is the second largest subway line in the Beijing subway system, with 35 stations serving residential, commercial, and tourist areas. A full journey from one end to the other takes about 1 hour and 25 minutes. The line accommodates up to 1,960 passengers, and trains can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers an hour. I always try to get a middle seat because end seats are courtesy seats vacated for elders, small children, pregnant, and handicapped people. Line 2, known as the Loop Line, is a vital part of the city's metro system, forming a rectangular loop around central Beijing. It traces the path of the former Ming Dynasty inner-city wall, now replaced by the Second Ring Road and Chenmen Avenue. The full loop takes about 40 minutes. Line 2 is one of Beijing's busiest lines due to its central location and connectivity to major hubs and attractions, and is a critical artery for both locals and tourists. Next, I head to one of Beijing's newest subway lines. Line 3 opened in December 2024 and serves as an east-west corridor through Chaoyang district. I'll be on this line for just one stop. This is where I get off. Beijing's Workers' Stadium is one of China's largest football stadiums, with a capacity of 68,000 spectators. Built in 1959 to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the People's Republic of China, it was one of the 10 great buildings constructed for this milestone. Fully rebuilt between 2020 to 2023, the rebuild retained the iconic concrete facade with 80 columns and modernized the interior with sustainable technologies such as rainwater recycling and an anchored grass system. Taikooli Sanlitun is a trendy open-air shopping and lifestyle destination known for its vibrant mix of fashion, dining, and entertainment. I used to live right next to this place. Sanlitun SOHO is a mixed-use urban complex designed by renowned Japanese architect Kengo Kuma. It's a modern landmark known for its sleek architecture, combining 5 shopping centers and 9 30-story office and apartment buildings. Tube Station Pizza is a well-known pizza chain in Beijing, celebrated for its authentic New York-style pizzas using imported cheese, sauce, and flour. I think this is the best tasting pizza in Beijing and really appreciate the Western-style condiments. And now, on to my final destination. April Gourmet is a supermarket chain catering primarily to expats and those seeking imported Western goods. The prices are generally higher than local supermarkets. To get back home, I'll be taking Line 10, which is the second loop line in Beijing's subway network, situated between the 3rd and 4th ring roads in the north, south, and west, and directly under or near the eastern 3rd ring road. It's Beijing's busiest subway line, with an average of about 1.69 million passengers per day. And now, back to Line 6. I always go directly to car 13 in order to be a few steps from the escalator that leads you straight to the escalator that takes you to the S1 platform. Here, I always get on the car that lets you off a few steps from the escalator that leads you to the exit. All right, time to head on home.